Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for a plan with me in my A5 Sterling Ink Common Planner, and this week I will be using stickers from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. She puts out a luxury advent calendar in about October, November, and in this calendar there's 12 envelopes, so one sticker sheet per month, and I only open them in the month that I'm going to do them, so I haven't even seen the rest of the year yet. But I love these because I can decorate a spread really well with these, and then probably decorate one of my daily spreads as well. So these are the ones for March. Let's get started. So the first thing, I love that. So the first thing I'm already realizing is that is huge. Although I feel like because there's not a ton going on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I could make it work there. So let's peel that. And I love JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. JoJo, hold on, I can't seem to talk and put this down at the same time. Ready, go. Oh yeah, that fits perfectly there. I love her shop because she hand draws everything in Procreate. I think she's just so super talented, and I admire her so much. So I think, oh, this would look perfect with it. Let's put this down here. Actually move that over a little bit. Now I'm thinking, if I do put this here, is that going to give me enough room for my sleep score and for my workouts? No, it will not, unless I move the header up there. Okay, I can make it work. Let's put this here. Put my pencil board back, because I'm the type of person that I need this pencil board or else it's just not gonna work. Oh, there goes my printer. I'm filming this really late. It is Monday evening at, whoop, come on. Oh gosh, what was the time? 7:30 in the evening. And I'm just decorating this now. Main reason is that I have spent all weekend working on orders. Thank you so much to every single person who has supported my shop. I am just in awe of everyone who has just supported me in that way. If I put this here, or here, or here, or wherever, it's gonna, I feel like I could also save some for my daily spread, so I don't need to force myself to use all of these right now. Put that back there. Okay, but I do want to use this plant down here. But yeah, this weekend has been busy. I've been working on new releases and packing, printing and cutting all of the orders. It's been, actually, I really enjoy being able to print and cut all of your orders. To me, it's amazing that anybody even wants to order from my shop. So thank you so much. Love that. I'm realizing I do need to leave room here though, or else I'm never going to remember what is going to happen on the weekend. Then let's place a picture frame here. And I'm gonna put the month of March right here like this. Put this here. And, okay, let's leave that for now. Move this over because I'll have to remember to do that. Then I'm thinking, what do I want to do next? Okay, let's go ahead then and write in the graph here for my sleep score. Actually, wait, let's start at the bottom and work our way up. So Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday. I have to say this out loud because I don't normally pronounce the days of the week backwards. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh gosh. Workout. Okay. And then right above that will be the sleep score. I'm going to do that with my Lamy 2000. And this has Robert Oster with Van Diemen's. Oh my gosh, what is it? I forget. Van Diemen's, Desk Bandit, Allspice. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, doing all of this backwards. That's okay. See, and it fits. All right, and then I can write the word sleep. Perfect. Oh, here comes Lucy. I feel like I could add more stuff down here too. But like what? Add that here. I could add the picture frame. And then there's still space here. I could probably get a quote if I wanted to. Or, I seriously could use all of these. Oh, yeah. Okay, then I'll go ahead and write in my work shifts. I'm very excited for this week because it's the last few days before we go on our vacation, on a much needed vacation. It's been a rough month, March. And I say that because it's just been stressful. It's been a lot. So I'm writing my work shifts in here and then just outlining the hours. And then, yeah, so you're looking at these and going, why are your shifts so long? I work 4 10-hour days so that I can have Friday off. And I've had this arrangement now for a little over a year and I'm really enjoying it. I think it would be, oh yeah, that's right, pen. I think it would be different if I wasn't working from home, but working 4 10-hour days actually suits me quite well since I do work from home. Okay, so then let's go in here and write in some to-dos. Oh no, I smudged it. Oh well. I won't be ordering groceries that evening. I'll probably do it here. We'll have to tidy up. And I'll need to order groceries for April 1st. And then on the Tuesday is when my husband will put out the garbage bin. So put out garbage. And that requires a sticker. So this sticker album is from According to Allie, and it houses all of my icon stickers. And I'm trying to be very good about working through all of them before I buy any more. It's not going too badly, actually. Then Wednesday, that's pretty much it. Thursday, we have the cleaner coming by. I think the dark green. So, oh, see, and that works well with the pen and ink combination I've chosen. So this is my Pelikan 140, and it has Colorverse Alpha Pisces in here. So 9:30 to 2:30. Oh crap, wrong day. Dang, I said Thursday, didn't I? Oh well. I'm going to have to remove that somehow. See, mistakes happen. And somehow I managed to fix them. Thing is, with this mistake, I'm gonna have to just do a little wipe out white out. Oh my gosh. Then that evening, my husband will be picking up groceries. No, he will not be picking up groceries because we're going away, so he's not picking up groceries then. Gosh, my week is all over the place. All over the place. Okay. Friday. Oh. Friday. Oh my God. Okay. So Friday, where is here we go. Friday, I have a manicure and a pedicure because, as you do, right before you go on vacation, you get a manicure and a pedicure. And, perfect. I use this yellow one. And there. There we go. There's so much preparation. Mani-pedi. And I know there's other things I'll need to do as well, so I'll have to remind myself to do certain things, but I won't write it in here yet because I don't know what order everything is going to happen. But what I do know is that I am meeting friends for dinner this evening. So finding a good girl group sticker, not the 6 sticker. No, here we go. Well, that's for, I'm gonna just use a very excited sticker. Yeah, one with donuts and cookies, why not? There we go. Dinner with Deb and Adrian. And then I know this evening we'll probably have to start packing because I will also have to do laundry this day. So I'm gonna write that here with my other pen. I know some people are like, when are you leaving and why are you packing that late? It's the way I am. Pack. It should be the other way. Pack and laundry, laundry and pack. You guys know what I mean. And then I'm just gonna leave it like that because there isn't really much more that I can add. When we're going away somewhere, there's a lot of preparation, but there's also things that I need to fill in as I go. But what I am going to write down in here is habits. Just want to make sure I have enough room. So the habits will be listening to my audiobook, read 10 to 15 pages, which I haven't been able to do recently, meditate, and try to do that every day. I haven't been reading 10 to 15 pages every day for the last couple of weeks just because it has been a very stressful, I say stressful, busy last couple of weeks. So, all right, it's really plain and simple, but that is how my week normally starts. And then as the week goes on, then I can add more. But now that I've added stickers in certain places, maybe I can add these. So adding that one here, adding this other picture frame. I feel like I want to add this here because I do want to finish the whole sticker sheet. There's something so satisfying about that. But it just feels like it's just sitting there. Do you know what I mean? If it just, if I put this here, I won't be able to graph. If I put that here, it's an odd shaped sticker. But I think if I'm going to, I think what I'm gonna do is put this down here and then put the garbage sticker on top. And then this frame can go over here. Nope, not there. There we go. And I've used a whole sticker sheet. I find that so satisfying. All right, now that is it for me. Actually, no. I keep changing my mind. I think it would be a good idea to maybe add a quote in here. Just what color? I have lots of quotes from According to Allie, not in this sticker album, in this sticker album. And I just want to get in the habit of using them because Allie does beautiful quotes. And I want to make sure I am using them. So, are those it? Oh, forgot about those. Okay. Then, whoops. Oh, I wrecked it. No, this was for Christmas. And I know there are other quotes in here as well. Ah, here we go. Work sucks. Well, it is the last few days before work, or before vacation. I feel like this would so match. But first, coffee. I like that. Know you're worth it. Life is better when you're laughing. Here. Oh, I like that. Life is tough, but so are you. I feel like this fits in so well to the whole theme. And I put that down crooked. Okay. All right. Now I'll leave it. I won't touch it anymore. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.